Okay. Hello everyone, I'm Anu Soni and today we are going to learn about articles. Now students, articles are what are the articles? This, okay, a, an and the. And why they are important, that we are going to learn today. Actually, most probably we use article for the singular forms. Okay, जो singular forms होते हैं, सिंगुलर फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ड्स होते हैं ना, हम उनके लिए मोस्ट प्रोबेबली आर्टिकल्स यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल एन एप्पल और अ बॉल, अ गर्ल, राइट, अ बॉय. हम सिंगुलर थिंग्स को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हम आर्टिकल्स का यूज करते हैं, हम उनको यूज करते हैं. ओके, उनका. सो लेट्स सी हम कहाँ पे कौन से आर्टिकल, वेयर वी कैन यूज विच काइंड ऑफ आर्टिकल्स. ओके, नाउ read the following sentences carefully. A is used before words then that begin with consonants. Examples: a bat, a cap, or doll. Okay, means when where we can use a article जहाँ पे हम कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स की बात कर रहे हो. द फर्स्ट वर्ड जिसके आगे हमें आर्टिकल यूज करना है उसका फर्स्ट वर्ड क्या होना चाहिए? कॉन्सोनेंट. देन एंड देन वी कैन यूज ए. Now N is used before words that begin with vowel sound. Do you know how many vowel sounds are there? Yes, let me tell you. A, E, I, O, U. So we are having 5 vowel sounds and 21 consonant sounds. So जब vowel sounds की हम बात कर रहे हैं, that time we are going to use an article. The is used when we want to talk about something in particular. Okay, हम the article कब यूज करते हैं? जब हम किसी particular, कोई चीज particular की, मतलब उसको particularly हम उसको emphasize कर रहे हैं, तब हम उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. That time we are going to use the article. For example, the book with the red cover, not any book. Okay, the special one, the particular book which has a red cover. The doll in the blue frock, not all dolls, only a one doll which has wore blue frock, जिसने blue frock पहना है. Okay, we also use the before the sun, the moon, the earth, the sky and the Taj Mahal because they are only one of them. Okay, वहाँ पे हम सिर्फ एक ही, हमारे पास एक ही सन है. We have only one sun, moon, Taj Mahal, like that. Let's do activity. So we have to fill in the blanks with particular article. Okay, a, an or the. Now you see students, mouse. Okay, यहाँ पे particular mouse के बारे में नहीं बात की है, कोई भी mouse. So it will, हम the तो use करेंगे नहीं वहाँ पे. Now अब क्या रहा? A and N. तो उसके लिए हमें फर्स्ट लेटर देखना है. ओके, माउस, तो ये माउस है, ये एम है, मतलब इट्स अ कॉन्सोनेंट, राइट. सो हम कॉन्सोनेंट के साथ वी आर गोइंग टू यूज, विथ कॉन्सोनेंट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज a. Okay, so a mouse. Now here again we are not saying that a brown egg. Okay, we are just saying egg, so we are not going to use the brown egg. Okay, we are, so here is e. Now so e is a vowel sound, so we are going to use an egg. And angel. A car, we are not talking about any particular car. Okay, so that's why a car. An ostrich. Why? Because O, consonant vowel sound is here. Okay. A kitten, because K is again a consonant sound. An igloo, a rabbit, a frog, the moon. Look, the moon. Why? Because we have only one moon in the world. We don't have any other moon, right? So the moon. An umbrella, because U is again a vowel sound. The sun, because we also have only one sun, right? Now let's do second exercise. Fill in the blanks with a, an or the. Now we have to fill in the blanks with the particular article. Now again students, here is moon and moon is only one, so we are going to use the. The moon is out tonight. Okay, the moon is out tonight. I got a gift today. Means मुझे आज एक gift मिला. I got a gift today. एक ही gift मिला, alright. There is an owl sitting on the tree. Can you see here? The owl is sitting on the tree, right? I waited for you for an hour, so I missed the school bus. Not any bus, right? Not any ST bus, local bus, no. School bus. I'm going to school and I was waiting for you, but you didn't came. So I missed the school, है ना? School bus. I missed the school bus. So we are going to use the why because we are talking about particular bus, the school bus. Have you visited Taj Mahal? Now, what can be the answer? Yes, the Taj Mahal because there is only one Taj Mahal. I lived in a big house. There can be many kind of a big, बहुत सारे big house हो सकते हैं ना? But I live in a big house. Now exercise 3 हमको यहाँ पे भी we have to fill in the blanks with the particular one. We have to choose one. Okay. Flower and butterfly. Now you see students, here again it is a consonant sound, this both. So we are going to use the here, okay? A here, a flower, a butterfly, again a kite and the sky because sky is only one, okay? The sun and the moon, an eye and a hen, a fish and an octopus, the earth and the solar system. Now this is a solar system, okay? Sun is like in the center and other planets rotate around it, okay? It rotate around or spins around sun, all right? An apple and a cupcake, a clown and a balloon, a hive and a bee, okay? Hive is the place where bee used to live, है ना? Now exercise 4. In exercise 4, we have to tick at the correct box. I saw star in the sky. Yes, I saw a star in the sky. A star, a bright star. Okay, we are not talking about a northern star or any. So we can say the northern star and or anything like that. I have two younger brothers and an older sister. So मेरी क्या है दो भाई है और एक सिस्टर है वो भी क्या है बड़ी है ना. So older, look at this word. O is again a vowel sound. So with a vowel we are going to use N. So N, okay. I have a new car toy. Car is red. Now you have a car toy. Now we are talking about that one. Okay, so we are going to use the here. Okay, I have a new car. The car is red. Now my mother is a doctor. I saw an elephant because an E is again vowel sound. The moon shines at night. The moon shines at night. So moon is again a one. So we are going to use the article for that. Okay. Exercise 5. We have to make sentences with using this articles. For example, A, I live in a big house. Then N, I have an umbrella. The sun shines brightly. Okay, the sun shines brightly. So students, I think we should stop here. I have discussed all the exercise with answers, so you can take help of it for solving your, okay, this all exercise. So we are stopping here. Right, we'll meet in the next session. All right. What you can do, you can just refer to it and write down your answers there.